Hi friends, let me show you these new insoles or insert that I received for viewing purposes. These are aimed to support your arc, and as you can see, they come nicely packed. They are a pair, okay, and you can cut them to fit your shoe size, okay. These are 11, so I suppose you don't have to cut them. Let's try them. Perfect. No need to cut, okay. You just insert them and use it regularly if you have any feet condition that requires an arch support insole, okay? Perfect. If you need any kind of arch support or insole or insert, these ones are a good option for you, okay? They are so easy to install, as you can see. If you have smaller shoes or smaller size shoe, you can cut them to size and they'll fit perfectly. Thank you.